What's up friends, welcome back to the tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change Instagram chat themes, right? So what you want to do, you want to open up your Instagram and go to your chats or your messages. Then you want to go ahead and find the chat that you want to change the color or the theme for. Keep in mind that this can only be done on a per chat basis and not like globally for changing themes on all the chat. So it's only going to work on a per person or a per chat basis. So let me go ahead and choose the first option in the list. It's one of my profiles here. To find and change the theme of this chat, guys, you want to click on the top bar there, like anywhere beside your name, or just tap it and you will see it like this, right? This will allow you to view the profile, etc. of that person. But if you look slightly below this information of the profile, you will see themes, right? So you go ahead and click on themes and you have a bunch of different themes that you can choose from, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna simply go ahead and choose just one. So for example, let's choose the soccer one here. Tap on that, and if you go ahead and click back, you will see that it is now selected, and you can always go back in and you can always change it to whatever you want. As this one says Dune, you can always change that. So there you have it, guys. Very easy and very simple how you can go about changing those themes. And of course, if you want to get it back to the default theme that you had before, then you just want to scroll all the way down to where it says default. As you can see, select that and it will go back to the default color of the chat theme, right? So that's how you easily do it, guys. How you can easily change your Instagram chat theme color. Very easy and very simple.